How to pair your JVC wireless earbuds. So it's usually done by putting the earbuds into Bluetooth pairing mode, then selecting them for your phone or computer or device that you want to connect this to, as long as it has Bluetooth. So you can go ahead into your, let's say your phone, you're going to connect it in your phone, go ahead inside these settings. So it's much easier to do it there. Not really faster, but we'll see more information in the device settings. Make sure your JVC is charged or fully charged or enough to be detected from your device. Take both earbuds out of the case and then wait for the earbuds to turn on and enter pairing mode. The LED may flash red or blue or white depending on the model. But just go ahead into Bluetooth, go ahead and turn it on to be able to see the JVC earbuds. Scroll down to available devices since you're probably not connected yet, but if you are, it should just appear over here as JVC or JVC HA, HAFX, something similar to that, as long as it has JVC, or depending on whatever says on your manual as the default name for your JVC wireless earbuds. Let's go ahead and connect them, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.